Hello Velomobile fans. I want to show you today 3 little things that I've done to improve the overall comfort of my book. And it's things that I've been meaning to do for a long time and I just not got around to it. But since I'm in the basement doing some filming, I thought, hey, it's warm, let's do it. So the first thing is, when I ride, I use a water pouch. Use this Camelback. And it's great. It lets me take lots of water, but I've never had a good place to put the drinking spout, and it's just been laying on the floor and it gets in inconvenient places. So I have attached some Velcro to it and here to the wheel well, and now I can just stick it there and it's nice and handy. Take my drink and stick it right back where it came from, and it keeps things out of the way. My second improvement is this nifty pouch that allows me to keep my phone and my snacks, and I can put my keys and wallet and stuff in there. I have a couple more. It's plastic. It came from the local home improvement store, and it's a shower caddy kind of thing. And what I did was I just took 4 pieces of dual lock and I just glued them to the wall and to the pouch, and now I have my stuff nice and handy there, and it's right next to my hands, so it's easy to reach. My third upgrade is this cargo net. I think I got it off of Amazon, and by having this cargo net velcroed back there, I am able now to stuff a lot of stuff up in this shelf that the book has, and that way I can pile it high and nothing falls out. And with this handy carbon fiber panel now that covers the swing arm, I don't have to worry about anything getting into the drivetrain anymore. And those are my 3 comfort upgrades.